Hey there Titans, welcome to FormTitan Basics. In this video we'll do a quick overview on the payment integration option in the form settings. So we're at the form settings, payment integration, and we'll click enable payment and hit configure. Now what this will do is allow you to take payments from your form fillers. So we work with a bunch of integrations already in box, out of the box. It's already built within FormTitan, and I'll show you these in a moment. Let's just have a quick look at the general settings. Here we can customize what currency we're working with, select the type of payment we want to take, single, recurring, single and recurring, installment, and a token. We can send an email to the form filler, and then we can select the email field from the form. You can set a custom email, like upon payment that your customer will get. You can set a base price, can show you billing and shipping address, product price inline in the pop-up that will pop up to the customer once he clicks on the payment integration. And we can cancel, not allow them to close the pop-up window, and allow added to the form. And our next page, it will be like you set up a price, and then so this is our field that we will take for sending the amount. And the next thing is to choose from all these great companies to integrate with payment. So let's just select, for example, Stripe, and I'm just going to put a fake one and a fake one, and I'm just going to select, I'm not going to map customer. There's a bunch of, every specific one has different types of variables you need to set up. If you need help with any of these, you are more than welcome to contact us. And then you'll be able to set the variables you're sending to the processor. In this instance, Stripe, you can do the param name that Stripe is expecting, and then you can select to map it to whatever form fill you have. Right now, I'm just going to leave it empty. I'll hit apply, and we'll save the form. Before then, let me just disable my PDF mapping here. And let's publish this guy and see how the pop-up looks. So I'm going to do this and fill in some email. And I'll hit submit. Let's do this again. And here we go. It didn't pop up before because I didn't fill up the price. So this is the payment window that will be open. Again, this is fully customizable, and then you fill up your card number, and then once you hit Pay Now, then it will just take you directly to Stripe, and it will charge the customer. And once that's done, you can configure how you want this, obviously the invalid API key. So, and then you can configure what you want to do once the payment gets back to us. And this is how it's done.